So every month we get about 500 people that come and use our services. Our mission is to feed people that need food for the month. They come in and we supply them with whatever we have in our pantry. Sometimes we do get like meats and cheese and dairy that we offer them as well. We also give them a $15 or $30 voucher that they can take to nearby grocery stores. We have families that come in and they have little to nothing. When they come in, they feel loved and welcomed, so we try to help them as much as we can with what we have in our pantry. The personal satisfaction, I would say, would be when little kids come in with their families, their parents, and I know that they'll have food on their table, or I know that we're able to give them a toy or a book that we have here that we get donated from us as well. I think that gives me more satisfaction than anything throughout the day. Community Outreach Program Erie, COPE, also known as, we rely heavily on donations just because we are a nonprofit organization. So first off, we would like to thank you for donating as much as you do throughout the year. Our board members as well too, my manager as well, Lynn, and honestly the community as a whole, because we couldn't do this without them, literally. So we are very, very thankful for everyone that has put any help into COPE throughout the years.